Simply Music percussion workshops combine interactive technology and live music performance through a fun-filled and engaging process. Children watch the colour-coded interactive screen and hit their particular boomwhacker instrument in time to a karaoke style of interaction. Once rehearsed, the performers follow the pictures that relate to their instrument, combined with flashing numbers and images indicating when to start or stop.
Tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling so nice tonight. Hey, let's live it up. Let's live it up.